Today, I want to challenge you.
Hi, this is Deo Mwano. A lot of people ask me, what is exactly the Deo Mwano Consultancy? We see you working with so many different groups and so many different focuses. What do you guys do? Well, I like to tell people Deo Mwano Consultancy is a social impact firm where we focus on helping organizations maximize their impact through authentic relationship building. We believe that in order to have sustainable solutions, you have to be able to create the space on the table where everybody can contribute, but also they have the power to be able to voice their opinion through trust, honesty, and accountability. And through those processes, we are able to do data gathering, research, but more importantly, we focus on engagement. So we look at different mediums in order to maximize engagement. So sometimes we use creative arts, music, dance, storytelling, in order to really touch upon that human experience so people can feel more connected to the solution or the problem that's occurring at the moment. And then through that, we're able to bring everybody together and then allow them to come up with sustainable solutions. So if you're interested in working with us, please reach out. We work with school, businesses, nonprofits, city official. And like I say, if you're an organization that wants to maximize your impact, we're the right organization to collaborate with. And so if you're interested in collaborate, please reach out at deomwano.com and I would love to work with you. Thank you so much.